If you are searching how to buy shares of Republic Bancorp Inc., this video shows a simple walkthrough. Republic Bancorp is a regional banking holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RBCAA, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To start, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example. After signing up, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the broker's search bar and enter the ticker RBCAA. Select the Republic Bancorp Inc. listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker in the results. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to make sure it's the correct stock. Confirm the listing shows Republic Bancorp Inc. and the ticker RBCAA. To place an order, click Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the eToro page is in the description below.